Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be cooking tom Kha Gai. This is a quick and easy Thai recipe that anyone can make. The full recipe is in the description below. The first step is to heat up the coconut milk. Then add ginger and lemongrass. Now add a small amount of water. When this is simmering, add the chicken. After a few minutes, add the mushroom. Now add the rest of the water. And then add the lime leaves and fish sauce. Bring it back to a simmer and add some chili if you like. The final step is to add the lime juice. Enjoy!